Hello everyone. So in this video I'm starting unit 2 for grade 12. Subject is IT and subject code is 802. The unit 2 is operating web. So firstly we will understand that what is meant by web based applications. So all those applications which we access using internet and which give us the facility of like online shopping, online transaction, online learning, online filling and submit the form. So all these kinds of applications which allows us to perform any activity using internet are called web based applications. So some of the examples of web based applications are like online ticket reservation, online shopping app, learning using online tutorials, and many more such applications are there. And these applications can be used with the help of internet from the comfort of home, office, etc. Means we can use these kinds of applications from any location and at any time. It also provides us the facility of online transactions, posting query, filling form, etc. For example, there are banking applications which allows us to do the online transactions. It also allows us to do the complaint or any query regarding any bank statement or anything related to bank. So all these come under the category of web-based applications. Now online reservation systems. Online reservation system means to book or cancel the ticket using internet, and we can access these kinds of applications from any location. Some of the example of online reservation system are railway ticket, airline ticket, movie ticket, tour and travel booking, and there are many more websites like www.makemytrip.com. Okay, and there are many more applications which we can use for the booking and cancellation of the ticket. These online systems stores the complete information and allow the user to retrieve the information. Okay, so let us consider an example for this. If we have to book any movie ticket online, so firstly online movie ticket system stores the information about all the movie halls. Okay, so when you will be accessing these application for a movie ticket, firstly you will see complete information regarding a movie hall, movie timing, movie name, okay, and seats available in the particular movie hall. So like looking to these for after retrieving all these information, you will be able to book a movie ticket online. And you can also pay online, you can transact online using these applications. Then there is advantages of online reservation system, like if you book any ticket through online system, so what how it is useful to you and how it is useful for the company which is providing these kinds of application facility. So firstly we will understand that how these kinds of applications are useful for us, means for the consumer who is using this application. So first point is convenient. These kinds of applications is very useful and very easy to use. Okay, we can book or cancel the ticket from any location, and we can also pay online using credit or debit card. It requires very less time, it is less time consuming, and it is very easy to use. Okay, it allows the user to make any changes if required, like cancellation of ticket, etc. You can book the ticket and you can cancel the ticket if you want. So it is very easy process, you just need the internet facility for accessing the applications. Then there is price comparison. As you know, when you go through these kind of online applications, they provide you the complete information about the ticket. So by this you can compare the price and then you can book the ticket. So like we have taken the example of online movie ticket. So in that what you will see? You will see the complete information of the price of the tickets in different cinemas, and then you will be able to book. You can book the ticket according to your requirement. Next point is security. These kinds of applications also provide you the username and password after the completing the registration process. So by this your information remains secure, so it provides the security. Then there is time saving. As you can use this application from any location, you don't have to go anywhere, so it will save your time. Then there is discount scheme. Some applications also provide the discount scheme like seasonal discount, any festival discount. So this is the discount scheme they provide you. Then there is advantages for providers, means the company which has developed these applications, which is giving you the facility of these applications, how these applications are useful for the company. We will understand this. So first point is requires less staffing. So as all the task is done through the computers only, so it requires very less manpower. Okay, that's why it requires less staffing. No spatial restrictions. It means that consumer is independent from the location of the company. Company don't want to develop or that a large company to start their business for this process. Okay, so consumer is independent of the location of the company, means we consumer will access the application, book the ticket or cancel the ticket according to the requirement. They will not see the location of the company. So company can be anywhere. The company only invest in development and maintenance of the website or the application. Then there is global access. It means that these kinds of applications can be accessed from any location, just there is need of the internet facility. So some examples of these kind of applications are like Make My Trip, IRCTC online portal, and there are many other applications. Movie ticket websites are also there. Now there is precautions while performing online transactions. So what do you want things to remember while you transact online? So first is that the passwords which you maintain should be complex. It should be in a characters, special characters and numbers, means there should be a combination of characters, special characters and numbers, capital letters in your password. Your password should not be your name, and do not share your password with anyone. Next is steps to use online reservation system. So firstly, open the website or the application, browse and search for the required information. Okay, and then use website for reservation. Then there is e-governance. It means these are the government based applications, means these applications provides you the information regarding the government, like government to citizens, government to business. Okay, so the government hired the IT professionals for developing these kinds of applications and deliver government services, exchange of information to citizens, government to business, and many more. So some e-governance sites are like National E-Governance Plan, e-governance infrastructure, citizen services, business services, projects and initiatives, and many more. So in this unit 2 we have studied till e-governance websites. So in another next video we will study more about the operating web.